Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has classified Broadcom as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.61. Now let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 11.25%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.02% since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents an attractive buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $178.51 is breached, it will likely indicate an increased rate of decline. The ongoing 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of -10.82% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -13.69% to +8.40%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 58.60%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 54.99% and 134.6% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $285.88 and $431.73. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline: Broadcom's stock price took a fall of 5.39% on Monday. The Broadcom stock price decreased by 5.39% on the last trading day, Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, dropping from $194.96 to $184.45. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.40%, ranging from a low of $180.43 to a high of $191.98. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown volatility, resulting in an 11.25% loss. Interestingly, the trading volume also declined alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should ideally correlate with stock movements. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 29 million shares, with a total of 44 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $8.11 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $251.87, while the lowest was $119.76. Currently, the stock price stands 26.77% or $67.42 below the 52-week high of $251.87, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Broadcom Inc., trading under the ticker AVGO, recently experienced a decline of 5.8%, currently priced at $183.66. The company is striving to maintain momentum following its all-time high of $251.88 in December. Despite this short-term volatility, the recent earnings report for the first quarter of fiscal year 2025 revealed impressive growth, with revenue increasing by 25% compared to the previous year, driven by an astonishing 77% surge in revenue from AI semiconductors. The strong profitability margins, with gross margins at 73.5% and operating margins at 42.1%, reflect a solid financial foundation. Additionally, Broadcom's strategic partnerships with hyperscalers in the technology sector bolster its market position, especially in AI infrastructure. This has the potential to lead to accelerated growth through increased capital spending in the latter half of fiscal year 2025. It is worth noting that recent job cuts have reduced VMware's workforce by half since Broadcom's acquisition. However, this may signify a restructuring strategy aimed at improving efficiency within the integrated company. Looking ahead, Broadcom's focus on custom AI chips and ongoing innovation is likely to draw investor interest, particularly as market sentiment shifts from broader pessimism towards more resilient technology stocks. The recent sell-off in the Nasdaq presents a potential buying opportunity for discerning investors who are eyeing the stock's growth trajectory within the AI segment, suggesting that Broadcom might regain its bullish stance sooner rather than later. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned AVGO an overweight rating with a hold action. On the same day, KeyBank also rated AVGO as overweight with a hold action. On Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, CICC rated AVGO as outperform with an upgrade action. Just a few days earlier, on Friday, the 13th of December, 2024, Morgan Stanley reaffirmed an overweight rating for AVGO with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated AVGO as buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Broadcom stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a rating of strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 6, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 2.79%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The Broadcom stock currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal related to the two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels $189.25 and $217.39. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as a MACD. Volume has declined alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop-loss for Broadcom. Broadcom finds support from accumulated volume at $183.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as being high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $11.55 between its high and low points, reflecting a change of 6.4%. For the past week, the daily average volatility has been 6.09%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Broadcom, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.48. It's vital to monitor these figures, as they can substantially influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $202.13. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an important level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Broadcom faces its first support level at $183.20. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Broadcom from various analysts is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th of March, 2025, Spears Kirsten M. made an insider purchase of 118,760 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the same day, Kawas Charlie B. conducted an insider purchase of 150,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. Also on that day, Brazil Mark David made an insider purchase of 262,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the 8th of January, 2025, Hartenstein Eddie W. sold 4,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the 6th of January, 2025, Lo Chek Kian sold 48,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 5.765. In total, insiders acquired 2,082,240 shares, while selling 2,641,000 shares in these 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Broadcom currently exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 11th of March, we expect Broadcom to open higher by $1.17, starting at a price of $185.62. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.